Okay, first is wash your hand because magluluto tayo ng adobong pakwan. Okay, wash your hand, pakalinis mo ang iyong kamay. At pagkatapos, ito ang ating chicken. Nabili namin siya sa doon lang. Okay, and then you put in the strainer. Okay, kakakain lang ng mga bata, nagtatakbuhan na. So, ayun, magluluglog tayo ng mga manok. So, okay, yun. Pagkagasin mo, tanggalin mo yung lagkit-lagkit ng ating manok. Pagkatapos, gigiliin natin. So, after that, okay, I want to speak English. Okay, you chop your chicken. Then, after you chop the garlic. Okay. After that, onion. Wow, amazing. So it smells so good. My eyes so, Okay, after you cut the onion. Okay, cut. Medyo matagal-tagal ang ating paghihiwa dahil I'm so very slow. And then after that, you gili-gili the bawang. You chop. Okay. Okay, medyo mabilis ang iyong cook, ang iyong kusinera. And then, pagkatapos ay bumili kami na pakwan. Huwag kang magsal dito! Nag-ano ka ba? And then, pagkatapos, you put the what is this? The coco melon. Then after you cut the coco melon, okay, we will very faster because my editing is so very good. Okay, you put the pakwan in the coco. What is this? What the English this? What English this? What English? Okay, okay. Bago matapos ng lahat, magsasaing po tayo. Okay, 5 takal po ang ating gagawin. And then after that, you wash your rice. Then pagkatapos lilagyan na natin ng timplahan para masarap din ang ating kanin. So, we chop, lagyan natin konting pampabango, the garlic, the ribs. I don't know what is that. Okay, you put the and then you go, and you put the oil because we cooking already. Okay, no. My English not good. Oh my gosh. Then you put onion. And then after that, you mix it. Oh, when you smell the garlic, the onion, you put the garlic. Then after that, you go, and then put your chicken in a sauce. Wow, so good, smells so good. And then you gisa, and then you mix well. You mix very well, and it smells so good. You see. Wow, I really like it. Wow, amazing. Smells so good. And then after that, you takpan. Okay, we go muna. We mix well and mix. So very matagal. And then after that, wow, you put soy sauce. And what is this? You put a little bit sugar, and then the paminta. You put the paminta, and then a little bit of magic masharab. Wow, so good. And then you put L'Oreal. Wow, amazing. Then after that, wow, it smells so good. Then after that, you go because The chicken so good. I really like it. And the best part of my life, you put the last ingredient is the pakwan. The very matamis. The pakwan is very sweet. I really like it. And then after that, you serrano. Wow, it smells so good. Wow, sobrang sarap nito, talagang mapapa-exercise ka. So, ayan na yan. Ang bango. Naubos talaga namin to. Sarap. And then, sinsya na, maingay ang aking pamangkin at ang aking mga anak. So, very, what is that? The maingay?
Noisy.
It's so very noisy. I feel so bullshit because, and then after that, wow, amazing. The chicken in the side and the adobo. I will like it. Wow, so yummy. Then, after that, what did you say? My English is so very good. And then after that, you put adobo. And then the stack of, oh my gosh, what happened? What happened? Ganyan? Stop? Oh, pati kayo may stop mo.